If you are a frequent buyer sa Shopee, then you might have used this option already. So this is the return and refund due to change of mind. So buyers are now allowed to return an item if it does not suit them or if they think that they need to reorder in a different variation. So in a traditional physical store setting, if you want to return an item, kailangan mong bumalik sa physical store. Pero in an online selling setup kasi, the buyer needs to return the item via courier shipping. So this poses a huge problem for the sellers kasi kaninong i-charge ang shipping fee. Kasi technically, the seller shipped out the correct variation, quantity, pero since ayaw lang ni buyer, i-return sa kanila since inaalaw na ni Shopee. Hindi naman lahat ng products are eligible for change of mind return, especially yung mga big electronics and household appliances and others. So yung return, very strict din naman na kailangan nasa original quantity and quality, then the original packaging, obviously. The seller have the right to refuse the return request if the product is tainted, tarnished, worn and tried, incomplete, consumed, or used. Pero in my experience personally, hindi kami nag-grant ni Shopee kapag dinidispute namin yung mga return na may defect or may problema. I feel like personally, nasa losing end si seller on this new policy. Nag-release sila ng bagong program. This is the RR Shipping Fee Support Program. Parang nangyari since different items na nire-return, different sizes, the return shipping fee mag-iiba. The program is 1 peso per order para yung sellers ba mas hindi mas stress sa computations ng mga costs that they have to incur. With this program, it will automatically eliminate 100% of the seller-borne forward shipping fee and return shipping fee for all buyer return and refunds, including change of mind return. Additional cost, yes, for the sellers, pero this is what Shopee wants, and kung hindi mo naman gusto, pwede ka naman hindi magbenta. Pero since we're already here, I personally, we signed up kasi just because majority of our best-selling products is nagkakamali yung buyer kapag bumibili sila, since medyo technical and maraming kailangang intindihin. Majority of the time, nagkakamali si buyer in buying the correct variations kasi we're in home entertainment kasi. So we have been dealing with a lot of these issues. With this, we've been processing a lot of yung mga return and refunds talaga due to change of mind. So we signed up for this program. I think it will benefit us in a long run kahit 1 peso per order siya. Of course, this is across all orders na kahit nag-file si buyer or hindi siya nag-file. Automated na siya lahat. So, when you click onto the order details, makikita mo na sa baba yung shipping fee support program savings. Parang mapapakita na sa'yo kung magkano ang savings mo. To avail of this RR shipping fee support program, you just go to your usual homepage, then you click on campaign, tapos makikita nyo na siya. Personally, I don't know, it's just Shopee's ways of introducing new policies. If this would stay, I think yes, kasi more catered talaga sila sa mga buyers eh.